is Nikia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And on today's videos, I'm going to do an unboxing of my latest Glow Collaborative box. Now, the Glow Collaborative is a subscription box service that provides you with your monthly cleaning items, and they're all green. So it's one of the things that I really, really love. So I've been with this service for about probably 3 years without me actually going online and seeing. But one thing about the program is it's totally customizable. Everything is green, and you can even skip a month if necessary. So this box actually came last month, and I haven't had a chance to open it. I was just really busy, and I wanted to open it to show you all what I had inside. However, some of the things in this, I actually forgot what I ordered, because when you set up your subscription, you tell them what you want and what increments. So some things can come monthly, some things can come quarterly. So I know, I'm really hoping I got some of the all-purpose spray, because I use that for every single thing. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead, change the lens, and show you what's in my box. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is the box. The only thing I did was just open it with the scissors, so you didn't have to wait through all of that. So let's go ahead and see what's all inside. Now, it is perfectly packaged. It has all the protective items that you need. So this box, I want to say it was probably around $25 or $22. So voila, the first thing in here is that all-purpose spray. Like I told you, I use this for everything. This is just really great. It's a good all-purpose cleaner. I purchased the lavender scent. It's not very strong smelling, and it's just really good. It works on basically anything. So we have that. And then there's the dish soap. Now, I use this. It's very clean. I mean, I don't know if it's going to get oil off of baby seals in the middle of the ocean, but it works wonders in my home. Oh, I actually got two, because I noticed I needed more than one a month. So, okay, I actually got 3 because I noticed I needed more than 2 a month. Okay, so this is the dish brush. So I do love this, and it does have the removable head. So after you use it, if you want to just toss the head and just purchase a new head for the brush, you can. But I actually needed a new brush because I had my old brush for like a long time. So this is actually, I think, the second brush that I had in 2 years. Okay, another all-purpose cleanser. So normally what I'll do is I'll keep one upstairs and one downstairs. Let's see what else is here. Oh, the hand soap. So I keep this in all of the bathrooms, in the kitchen, and in the laundry room. So it's just a really good soap for your hands. And once again, I like to keep everything the same. I know a lot of people are doing that whole cinnamon spice or pumpkin spice, but I don't really like a lot of different smells. So this month, it is my free gift is these hand sanitizing wipes. So that's another thing with the Glow Collaborative. It will give you, you know, options for a free gift. You can pick and choose which one you want if you purchase a certain limit. Now, one thing about the Glow Collaborative, I'm going to leave my link below, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a free gift, and the gift is always something wonderful, like just all the great goodies. So I will leave my link for it below. That's everything that's in the box. And then this is actually just talking about some of their new cookware. I'm probably going to pass on this because I use like the Martha Stewart cookware, and I'll show you what's inside of my cabinets or my drawers down here. I have like all of the Martha Stewart things, so I probably won't get this for now, because one of the things that I am doing, I'm trying to live a minimalistic lifestyle and not have a million things. So that's just one less thing that I have to worry about. But anywho, these are the items that I have for this month. I will probably use 2 of these for the month, and just always just keep like an extra. If you have any questions or comments about any of the items that I showed today in my subscription box, like I mentioned, I think this was like $21 or $22, and it came with all of this plus a hand sanitizing wipes. And I will leave a link for you new subscribers if this is something you're interested in, so you can get the free gift. So thank you very much for tuning into this channel. You have a divine day. Goodbye.